Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can fix this issue. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Or even if you type Java minus version, it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. How we will solve this, guys? If you go inside local C, if you go inside program files, there is Java, right? So there is JDK 2122. Okay. Just to make sure that if the environmental variables has the path, okay, double click the path here, it doesn't have the path. Okay. For that, guys, just give the path of the Java folder. For example, you can add the path like this. Copy this, go here and paste this. Click on the OK. You have to paste it in the system variables. Paste it here, click on OK, click on OK. Type Java C, it should be recognized. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.